Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find someone you played with on Roblox. If you forgot their name or didn't add them right away, this method will help. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser and then in the search bar, you need to go ahead and search for chromewebstore.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and simply search for Restore Old Roblox Server List extension, and this is gonna open up. Tap onto it, then simply tap on Add to Chrome. Now go ahead and tap on Add Extension. Now once the extension has been added to Chrome, you need to go ahead and open a new tab and then search for roblox.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, refresh the page. Now once you have refreshed the page, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this puzzle-like icon, then select the extension you just downloaded. Then inside here, go ahead and toggle on Auto Charge. Now go ahead and search the game you played with your friend. Let's say it's this one. Go ahead and tap onto it. Just like that, select servers. And here you will then be able to find the list of players in each server. If you remember their username, just search it right over here. If you don't remember the name, look through the profile picture until you recognize them. Once you find their profile picture, you can simply tap on Join to join the server and click on the avatar to go to their Roblox profile. From there, you can just send them a friend request and you are connected again. That's it. That is how you can find someone you played with on Roblox using the server list extension. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.